I tape my mouth shut every night. And no, it's not because my wife wants me to stop talking.
So I'm using a tape that's actually made for this, but you can use a medical tape as well, but don't use anything harsh like duct tape. And you can try a nasal spray if your nose is always clogged. Now this does take some getting used to, but the point is to breathe out of your nose while you're asleep, and it's very easy to apply, as you can see.
As crazy as this sounds, it's been a game changer for me, and there are multiple benefits.
Nose breathing as opposed to mouth breathing is going to help your oral health. It's going to humidify the air before it enters your lungs. It's going to help with nitric oxide production. It's going to help with the parasympathetic nervous system, and it can even help some people with their snoring.